In the 2004 to 2009 Kia Spectra or Kia Spectra 5, like this one here, if you have a manual transmission and the car is not starting, there is something that you need to check right off the bat. So you can see here that sorry there's so little light, by the way. You can see here that I'm turning the key. The car is not starting. And the reason why is because I haven't pushed the clutch pedal down. Watch what happens when I turn the key and now as I step on the clutch pedal. That's because there's a safety mechanism to start the car up only when the car is in neutral, meaning that the clutch is pushed down. So sometimes if your Kia Spectra and those year brackets is not starting, it could be as simple as that clutch pedal sensor is broken and that the car doesn't know that it's in neutral. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.